guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm sorry if this is not good looking. I had a much different plan for this video, but everything just got really dreary all of a sudden, so light it is. So I thought I would show you guys a bunch of home decor things that I got, a lot of which I have literally just been saving until I kind of got everything the way I wanted because they're new pieces. Now a lot of this is just like somewhat basic, but I found some really cute things as well. But in my new house, I have light gray walls, white trim, a very cool toned wood floor, and this granite, if you can see, is like gray with a little bit of like tan, black, and white in it, but it still kind of reads more gray than anything. So a lot of this is going with the color story instead of like trying to do a pop of color, because I feel like those pieces are going to come later, because I have already a lot of like really colorful stuff. But for like the basic stuff for my home, I just wanted simple stuff that just went with it, and then later on I want to get like a cute colorful chair, you know, pops of color here and there. But for the most part, I really like the color that it is, so I just kind of went with it. So let's just go ahead and get into it. I went to Maxx Homegoods, and there's a couple things from Ross, but I'm pretty sure those are not home related. So actually, let me grab those. I bought a couple like storage things that you guys may have seen in my moving vlog, big pink things with handles, and they just worked really well to like carry stuff. But I did find these shirts, and I'll go ahead and show you because my favorite painting is the Scream. And then I saw this shirt. Now this is called Fifth Son. I don't know if that's anything. These were only $8 or $7.99, and this is a little bit of a crop top, but look at this. Oh my god. So it has basically the Scream on it, but it's an alien, and I love it so much. And of course you got the little UFO up here, but I couldn't pass it up. I love it. And this other painting this is the same brand. This other painting I recognize, but I don't know the name of it. But it's just like people sitting at a cafe. But in this one, the people are aliens. And I absolutely love it. It's like grungy looking, but it's so cute. I would love to wear this and do like some kind of colorful makeup that kind of went with it. And you know, they're kind of similar colors, but you could definitely like do some really fun makeup. And again, $8 a piece. Like, I was not going to pass these up because I fell in love with them. Right here beside me, which you'll see in my vlog, Sally got in this basket like the moment I set it out on the floor. This one was $7.99. So I got this one at Maxx, and it's just a cute little basket that's got a darker gray, a lighter gray, and then like this off-white color, and it is so cute. And this is kind of like that kind of plasticky basket material, so even if I wanted to have this outside with like patio stuff, I could definitely use it. I haven't picked out my patio furniture yet, but I really want to get some soon, because as soon as it gets a little cooler, I cannot wait to sit out there and just like eat lunch, edit a video, just be outside, because I have not had like a proper place to just hang out outside in forever. Like the backyard at our other place was basically like a strip of concrete and a strip of grass, and yeah, it was like trees everywhere. It was a lot. So anyway, I love this little basket. It's super cute. This one's in a Homegoods bag. I think I have canisters. Yes. Okay, so these are pretty basic too, glass with the silver lid, but my old canisters were really scuffed up and ugly, and I didn't really like them in the first place. These are kind of like, they have like this little groove to them on the side, so they're kind of flat, but they're really cute. You could definitely put labels on these if you wanted to. I'm going to use these for stevia mostly, and I think I have one or two other ones. These were super cheap. This was $1.99. I felt like this was a steal, and it's not like the best seal in the world, but if it's something that you're using a lot, you know, that you're not storing for a long time, I think it's fine. It does have a little bit of like a plasticky groove to it, and they do screw on. So $1.99, I couldn't pass that up. Worst case scenario, I hate it, and it was $2, so it's fine. So I must have gotten two the exact same size, so I got two of those. Like, how handy. You could literally use these for anything. So I don't know what I'm gonna keep in this, but this was only $2.99, $3 for this big thing. And they kind of stack decently, like it's almost the same height, but these were so affordable, I just couldn't pass them up. I got a backup of my Evian water. You guys know I just use that to like wet my face. Oh yes, okay, I got this, and I can't really tell you why. I just looked at this and I was like, I need it. This is a marble, mortar, and pestle, and I just thought it was super, super cute. Just like this soft marble to sit out, but this could actually come in handy if you're like crushing like herbs or garlic. Even if you needed to like break up a pill, you could do it really easily in here as well. Like so many things you could do with this, but also it just looks amazing, you know? So $7.99 for that. More Homegoods. Hopefully this video is not going to be too long because I have been in just a chatty mood. Oh, there's something small. Oh! So bathroom stuff, I found a marble design that I really liked, and I was just like, let me just go with it. I love it. I feel like marble is pretty timeless. So this is the trash can. I love the detail that it has like this darker wooden at the bottom. So like it's a little bit more interesting than just marble, but it is super plain marble and it's like rounded on the inside. Now this kind of hurt a little bit. This was $25. I'm sure that that's not that crazy a price compared to, you know, any other trash can out there, but you know, I was looking for a little bit more of a deal than that, but I don't mind it. Like, I really loved this one the moment I saw it. Hey buddy, what you doing? Just laying on tissue paper. My goodness. Oh, you wanted to do more? Okay. In addition to that, this one's a little bit different. It's got some silver. This is a soap dish. It was only $5.99 for this one. And I don't know, I don't really, I just felt her fur and I was like, what is that? You know, I don't really use bar soaps that often, but we do like to keep like an antibacterial soap around just in case. So this will be where that will go. I think there's something in here that's not marble. Just got in that mood, you know. Oh, I got this, which I thought was cute. It says put a cork in it, and it's a little cork catch. I'm gonna take these fake corks out or whatever they are, and hang this up somewhere and put my corks in from my wine. I saved a few of my corks, but a lot of them were like cheap wines that I just bought over and over again. So I threw some of my corks out, but I saved some to put in here, and then I'll definitely add to it. This was only $9.99. I feel like it's really, really cute. It'll like match all the white in here, and it's got a darker background. And yeah, I've always kind of wanted a cute place to put all my corks. We wound up running across a full size of the caramel fudge waffle cone. We had tried this in a small guy. This is the skinny syrups, and we both really, really like this one, so I decided to grab one of those while I saw it. Oh, white marble square coasters. Okay, this was only $6.99, and they are some chunky, sturdy coasters. They're pretty heavy, and they're just pretty much white, but they've got like a little like subtle shimmer to them just naturally. This is really, really cute. I feel like for $7 this was a steal because these are some hefty coasters. Oh, I love this. I fell in love with this when I saw it for some reason. This is a little glass teapot, but it also has tea all in it. This is hand blown borosilicate glass. But it's got lots of teas in it. I see mango tea. It's got some green tea. He's being a fool over there. Jasmine. Okay, it's got all types of tea in it. I'm not a tea connoisseur, but I wanted this little teapot and I wanted to be able to try these teas. So there you go. I got it. I also got a couple things for like our fitness area. We're using one of the bedrooms as like office/fitness. So I got this non-skid abdominal wheel thing. I've used one of these before in a gym and I feel like it really works you out. Not that I'll be able to do that well in the beginning, but this was only $8. I feel like it was worth trying it for $8. And then I also got some booty bands, 2-pack, and it comes with 2 different resistance. This is Respin. This is Halle Berry's brand. Have you guys ever seen this before? Because I was like, wait, is that Halle Berry? And then I realized what it was. So these were $7.99 as well, and it comes with 2 bands. And I really want to do what is it, Columbia, what is it, the workout that Olive Saudi does with another girl? Is it Columbia Mafia Fit or something like that? But I've seen them do it and I've watched their lives for like a couple of minutes and I'm like, I really need to do that. So I wanted to get those so that I have some resistance bands. I really went off and did some stuff I was not supposed to because I got some jeans at TJ Maxx. What the heck? And I also got this kimono, which I thought was really cute. And I'm surprised. Zach usually is like, ooh, that looks old if it's floral for some reason. But he actually thought it looked really cute. I just tried it on like in the store because the dressing room was closed. So I just put it on real quick and tested it out. It's really, really cute. And after that, I was like, well, I really need to buy it. So yeah, it's really cute. It's just floral. I thought with like a really fitted white t-shirt and these jeans. And these, I think these wound up being a little bit tight, but you know, I'm fluffy right now. Like quarantine has just done it to a lot of us, you know. And this is Indigo Rain. It's probably nothing special, but these have like a little bit of like a washing distressing to them. They've got some rips. So there you go. I mean, a few weeks of keto and I'll be back in these, you know, because it takes away all that horrible water weight. Did we really buy a coffee mug? But look, I couldn't resist. It says, don't let the muggles get you down. And look at it, it's Luna. I never see Luna on coffee mugs or anything like that. And it's pink on the inside. It's pink and gray. I also got these notebooks and this is freaking adorable. Let me open these up. This was $5 for a set of 3. So it's 3 notebooks and look. Oh, I'm sorry, babies. You know, you guys know, well, maybe you don't know, but I have a thing for raccoons. But these are awesome. Look at him. Okay, so these are just little lined notebooks, like nothing to them, but for $5 and they're pretty little faces. I just couldn't pass it up, and their faces are on both sides. Oh my god. These are my prized possessions now. And then I also got this basket from RGI Home. This was $10 at TJ Maxx. And again, another basket that you could probably even get wet. I think it would be fine because it's like that plasticky wicker material. But this one's really stretchy too, so I feel like you could put literally anything in it. And yeah, I just love the colors. It's super cute. All right, this last bag has something big in it. Ooh. So, something else marble, but this is just marble printed. This is a Nicole Miller anti-fatigue floor mat. So I just thought with hard floors this would be nice to have. And this is super, super cushiony. It's like memory foam. Let me see. Can you tell? If I press in, it's like really slow to rise. And this thing is big. Big. You can't even see the whole thing. So yeah, this feels like it's gonna be really, really comfortable to stand on, and that's what I wanted. And it was only $16.99. I feel like that was a good deal. They did have other designs, but I just felt like this would be low-key, nothing special. I didn't want something that like said something or had little chefs on it or something. Like, I don't see shit like that. Anyway, somebody's gonna have that and hate me. I don't know what this is. Maybe I just repacked this. The other bathroom thing. So I was gonna use this for like toothbrushes, toothpaste, whatever, and it matches the soap dish. It's got the little silver on the bottom. This was $9.99. It is a sturdy piece of equipment. So yeah, I feel like it's worth every penny. And then finally, this also matched marble and silver. This one was $8, and I just figured for Q-tips, put that. I do have another Q-tip holder, but I feel like I could put it in the other bathroom and leave this with the set, but I think it's really cute. I got new measuring cups and spoons that match, that are like a stainless with black. I had this like multicolored one that I swear looked like Fisher Price stuff, and I just got so sick of it that I gave it away. And I was like, I'm getting something else because I hated the way it looked. But this is really nice because they match and you can put them together if you want or leave them separate. But this was $7.99 for the cups, $3.99 for the spoons. A couple kitchen towels at Homegoods. I think I just bought one pack of 2. This is Mi Casa es tu casa, made in Portugal. These were $6.99 and they are really like cushy. They're really nice feeling, and they have just like a little thread of silver at the bottom. Totally forgot, we got a new cutting board. This one's bamboo and it is Countercraft. I don't know why I said it like that, but this is what it looks like. It's just wooden and it's really sturdy. This is $10, but it feels like it weighs like 4 or 5 pounds. Like, it feels pretty hefty. Just wanted to get a new cutting board. Ours was a plasticky one and it was really beat up. Just a couple more things. So I got these Croc Bag Clips. I just feel like this is gonna be so cute with these little faces on a little bag. Like, do you see the little picture here? This was $2.99. And one last thing, well, it's 2 things, but one type of item. So I saw these plates and I just I don't know why I had to have them. This is Real Simple Life Made Easier tabletop. And they were $3.99. Dishwasher safe, not microwave safe, but that's okay. So these are like this light wooden with white, and I thought, how freaking cute. I know it's stupid. How much were these? $3.99 a piece. It's not that bad. But I know this is silly, but I was just imagining like what fruit would look like on it, having a salad on this, like how pretty it would be. That's mainly what I thought when I saw these. So I got 2 of those. All right, that is it. I can't believe that I had so many things that I forgot about. Totally forgot that I got an outfit and notebooks and yeah, okay. So I got a lot of house stuff, but those are a few things that I picked up to go with a lot of stuff that I already had and just kind of like filling the holes of what we need. But I'm so excited to do more like home decor shopping. First priority is patio furniture and a dining room table. I have 2 chairs and I kind of want to like mismatch the chairs, like have them similar but not exact. So I need to find the table that will go and like build around that. Just kind of have it like a little bit mismatchy, you know? So I'm excited to do that, and patio furniture is like probably first on my list actually, because I'm so excited to have a place, and I think they are doing our driveway this week. So hopefully the yard and driveway are getting done, and then it'll be peaceful. So, all right, thank you guys so much for watching this haul. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up if you liked the video. And of course, if you like TJ Maxx, Marshalls, and HomeGoods hauls, definitely stick around. I'm not as close to them now, but I am still gonna be making my trips. I'm just gonna have to wait until the weekend, and I will definitely be vlogging and hauling all of my stuff. So thank you guys again. I hope you're doing amazing, and I will see you really soon in my next video. Bye guys.